So as promised earlier today, I told you guys I was going to unbox some of these Oraimo products, and here they are. This is an Oraimo Watch ES2. I've been adverts about it online for some time now. We're going to unbox this. We're also going to unbox this. I think that this came with the Oraimo headphones. This is a BoomPop2S, which we are also going to look at as well. But let's start with this. It's just a USB from Oraimo, and just the popular Oraimo cord. When someone says they are going to whip you with an Oraimo cord, this is what they mean. So it's tangle free, two-way charge speed, has the burner boy thing here, and you also have this QR code to authenticate if it's fake or if it's original. It's always important to check yourself to know if it's a fake one or original one, so that's why you have this QR code. Now let's open the cable. I'm just going to rip it apart, and this is the cable. As you can see here, it's type C, and the input is basically normal standard USB, but again this side is type C. This cable reminds me of the cable that came with the Oraimo power bank I reviewed a while back. The power bank that you can use to charge your laptop. I'm going to include the link to that video in the description of this video. So you've seen this. I'm just going to keep this aside. Now, let's take a look at this one. I'm going to open it up. So you can see it. If you're also wondering where you can get these devices, you can get them on Oraimo's website. I am going to include the links to the devices here. If you also prefer to get them on Jumia, you can do that, or Konga, but again, I would always advise you to get these things from the website, because if you get from Oraimo's website, you would also just get it for free delivery in Lagos, and of course you get Oraimo points if you're signed up on the Oraimo website when you're buying it. So this is what came with this. You have, let's take a look at that real quick. You have a small type C charger as well, and let's see, this looks like a jack cord. Yes, it is. You have this aux cord actually, just in case you want to connect it to your laptop and then to the headset. Now let's look at this. It feels very light, like really light. This is plastic. It can turn 180 for when you want to put it back in the box. You can turn it this way, and that's it. You can't turn it this way, but you can turn it this way. Let's see what we have here. We have the aux cord here, we have the type C charger, and we have the on and off. This is where you turn it off, and this is where you turn it on as well. And this is basically going to be the mic, I'm assuming. And here you have the controls. Let's see, this is to reduce the volume, this is to increase the volume. I'm not sure what this one is, but don't worry, this is just an unboxing video. I am still going to do a proper review of this product, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will still tell you what these buttons do when I do a proper review of this device. I need to use it for a couple of days before doing a proper review. Here you can extend this. If you have a big head like me, you can always stretch this. I think this is as far as it can go. Feels very light. This is a light rubber. Let me see if I can peel that off. It's not looking like I can. So that's good. It's very durable. Looks like one of those headphones that can actually last you an entire year. So let's see. This is also good. Awesome. I'm going to turn it on real quick. Let's see what that feels like. Okay, indicator is right here. Nice. So that is it. That's the Oraimo headphones. If you're still wondering what exact headphones these are, again, this is the BoomPop2S. This is also like the version number, and it has a bunch of just features here mentioned. It says the last 50 hours. When it comes to playtime, you have other things here like the charge. If you charge it for 15 minutes, you can play for 500 minutes. You have the clear voice in calls. You have the lightweight and flat fold design, and you have the dual device connectivity. Awesome. So again, like I told you guys, we're going to properly do a review later. It looks like it works for iOS and it also works for Android. And that's a good thing. Now, let's look at the Oraimo Watch ES2. This is a 1.95-inch AMOLED display. I have to be honest with you guys. I picked this because this is the latest watch Oraimo has right now. I'm not a big fan of rectangular watches. I've forgotten what the other word for it is. I like watch faces that are round, but this is rectangular. But it doesn't matter. I'm going to give this device away to one lucky person who is subscribed to this channel anyway. So I'm not going to be using it for a very long time. I'm just going to unbox it now, wear it for a couple of days, and then do a review, and that's it. If you want to win this watch and of course the headphone, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and of course like this video. Now, this is what the watch face is like. I'm going to pull this out and to take this out. Just drop it here. Let's see what else is in the box. So you have the manual, really heavy. And you have this. This is the charger. This is not type C. It's the pin, the classic pin chargers for watches, basically. Magnetic charger. So you have that. Now let's take a look at the watch. I'm not a big fan of rubber straps. I prefer proper leather watches, but the rubber is not really looking horrible, to be honest. It looks very durable. I'm yanking it to see if I can rip it, but it's very durable. As you can see, this is what this area looks like. I'm going to peel the watch face now. So this is how big it is. I'll put it at the palm of my hand so you can see it. So what I would do now is go ahead and plug it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. For you to turn it on, you need to unplug this and then select language. I'm going to select English. Now you have to download the app to pair with your device. So once you're done binding, you're going to get a home page like this. So this is the home button. You know, you can, from here, you can basically make phone calls. You can see your contacts and all of that. You can also track your health and all. I am going to do a proper review of this watch later. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. But that's it. That's pretty much the update I have for you guys so far. One of the things I've also wanted to check out was if you can use this watch while it's charging. Most watches are not like that, but you know, I'm guessing Oraimo is also, this Oraimo watch is also not like that. So try it. Now it says charging and it shows me the time. Now I cannot use it. I have to let it charge. So that's it. That's the update I have for you all. Let me know if you have questions, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will do a proper review of all these devices in the coming days. I'll see you guys around. Bye.